Welcome to FlowSense, where we transform raw materials into excellence. Our ERP system caters to the pharmaceutical, food and beverage, and process industries, enabling you to handle batch processing, recipe management, and regulatory compliance with ease. Let's explore how our solutions can streamline your operations. To begin, sign in to your FlowSense account to access a suite of features tailored to your role within the organization. The platform supports various roles, from quality assurance to supply chain management, ensuring each user has the tools they need for their specific tasks. This personalized access enhances operational efficiency. Here on the executive dashboard, you can see a comprehensive overview of company-wide performance across all segments. Key metrics such as revenue, active orders, and customer counts are presented at a glance, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. You can also initiate guided demos to explore specific functionalities. Next, we dive into order traceability, where you can monitor the progress of each order step by step. This feature keeps you informed from sales order placement to procurement and manufacturing, ensuring transparency in your processes. Tracking orders in real time boosts accountability and efficiency. In the sales and distribution section, you can manage active orders and customer interactions seamlessly. Here, you can view open orders and their statuses, enabling prompt follow-ups and better customer service. The ability to export data further enhances your operational capabilities. The Export and Logistics module simplifies the process of assembling shipments while ensuring compliance with international regulations. You can track shipments and prepare necessary documentation, such as FDA prior notices, ensuring smooth and compliant export operations. In finance and accounting, you can manage invoicing and accounts receivable, providing a clear view of your financial health. This module allows you to track revenue and outstanding payments, which is crucial for maintaining cash flow and financial stability. The CRM and Field Force tool enhances your ability to manage medical reps and prescriptions effectively. You can log visits and track interactions with healthcare professionals, ensuring that your sales team is well informed and prepared for every engagement. In the Tenders and Government Contracts section, you can manage institutional contracts and keep track of submissions and outcomes. This feature helps you stay organized and focused on securing vital agreements that drive revenue for your organization. The General Ledger is the backbone of your financial operations, providing a detailed view of journal entries and account postings. This transparency ensures that all financial transactions are accurately recorded and easily accessible for review and auditing. The Procurement and Sourcing module allows you to manage purchase orders and vendor relationships efficiently. You can track spending and ensure that materials are sourced from approved vendors, maintaining quality and compliance in your supply chain. In inventory and warehouse management, you can track finished goods and raw materials across multiple locations. This feature ensures that you have optimal stock levels and helps prevent expiry issues, enabling a smooth production process. The Product Master section is where you can manage all product-related information, including dosage forms and pricing. This centralized database helps streamline order processing and ensures that your sales team has access to accurate product details. In demand and supply planning, you can forecast sales and plan production based on real market data. This proactive approach allows you to better meet customer demand and optimize your manufacturing capabilities. The Manufacturing module provides real-time insights into work orders and production status. Monitoring batches in progress ensures you can address any issues immediately, maintaining efficiency in your production lines. The R&D and Formulation Development section is crucial for tracking pipeline projects and stability studies. This module helps you manage the development of new products effectively, ensuring compliance and quality throughout the process. In quality management, you can log deviations and manage batch disposition to ensure safety and compliance with regulations. This proactive approach helps mitigate risks associated with product quality. The Track and Trace module ensures compliance with serialization requirements and provides transparency in your supply chain. You can track products through every stage, enhancing traceability and accountability. In regulatory affairs, you can manage product registrations and inspections with ease. This feature helps ensure compliance with various regulatory bodies, reducing the risk of delays in product launches. Document control allows you to manage critical documentation and specifications efficiently. This module ensures that all documents are up to date and accessible to the right personnel, facilitating smooth operations. Change control helps you manage process changes and supplier relationships effectively. This feature enhances risk management and ensures that all changes are properly documented and reviewed. The market complaints section allows you to log and track complaints and adverse events. By managing these issues promptly, you can maintain product integrity and customer satisfaction. In training and competency, you can track employee training records to ensure compliance with industry standards. This feature helps maintain a well-trained workforce, crucial for operational success. Supplier qualification allows you to manage vendor audits and qualifications easily. Ensuring that your suppliers meet quality standards is essential for maintaining product integrity and compliance. Recall management provides tools to manage product recalls efficiently, ensuring that you can act swiftly to protect consumers. This feature enhances your risk management capabilities. In payroll, you can manage employee compensation seamlessly. This module ensures timely payments and accurate tracking of payroll expenses, vital for maintaining employee satisfaction. The HR and Workforce module helps you manage employee information and staffing effectively. This feature allows for better organization and allocation of human resources across your operations. Maintenance and calibration helps you track equipment status and maintenance schedules to ensure compliance with GMP requirements. Proper equipment management is essential for optimal production performance. In crop health sciences, you can manage agricultural formulations and registrations. This module supports diversification efforts within your product offerings, helping you meet market demands. Lastly, the audit trail feature ensures transparency and compliance by tracking all changes made within the system. This tool is invaluable for maintaining accountability and ensuring regulatory adherence. To see FlowSense in action, schedule a personalized demo tailored to your specific needs. Our team is ready to show you how our AI-powered ERP can transform your operations and drive efficiency.